Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix message lag in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open the App Store app on your iPhone to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So in the search bar, you will see the word WhatsApp. Go to it, open it, and here instead of the word open you'll have the word update if you don't have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Click update. Wait a few seconds for the app to update, and this may help you solve your problem. If that doesn't help, then go to your phone settings. Scroll through them, go to Basic. And here, select the section called Update Background App. Then scroll down, find WhatsApp, and here it will need to be turned off. Then turn this feature on, which will help you to refresh background app, and this can also help to solve your problems. If this also doesn't help, then I can recommend you to reboot your phone. For this, you will need to press the power button as well as the top sound button at the same time. This will take you to a page like this, and you will just need to drag this button to the right side to reboot your phone. And one more method how you can fix message lag in WhatsApp is to go to the WhatsApp app itself. Then go to Settings. Here, swipe down and look for notifications. Click on them. And at the very bottom, you'll find a section called Reset Notification Settings. And you will need to tap on this feature in order to reset notification settings in WhatsApp app, which most likely 100% will already help you to solve your problem. Friends, these are the ways you can fix WhatsApp message lag on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Let's put likes, write comments, and see you soon.